Ever stared at a dreaded Java exception has occurred error, halting your progress and filling you with dread? Don't let Java errors derail your development. Today, we're diving deep into how to conquer those pesky exceptions and ensure your programs run flawlessly. First, and often the simplest fix, ensure your Java is up to date. Outdated Java versions are a common culprit. Head to the Java control panel, usually found by searching Configure Java in your system's search bar, and check for updates. Installing the latest version can resolve many compatibility issues. Next, we tackle the often misunderstood Classpath. Your Classpath tells Java where to find your program's classes and libraries. Incorrect. Classpath settings can lead to class not found extended errors. Review your project's build configuration or system environment variables to ensure all necessary directories and jar files are correctly included. This is crucial for your application to locate its dependencies. Conflicting libraries are another frequent offender. If your project relies on multiple libraries that have different versions of the same dependency, you'll likely run into problems. Carefully examine your project's dependencies, often listed in build files like Maven or Gradle, and identify any duplicate or conflicting library versions. Resolve these conflicts by specifying a single, compatible version for each dependency. When all else fails, become a detective and examine your error logs. Raw error logs contain incredibly valuable information about the root cause of the exception. Look for specific messages, stack traces, and the exact line of code where the error occurred. These clues will guide you directly to the problem, whether it's a null pointer, an incorrect input, or a resource issue, empowering you to make the precise fix. By systematically checking your Java version, classpath, library dependencies, and meticulously analyzing error logs, you can effectively troubleshoot and vanquish Java exceptions. Stay error-free and happy coding.